Want to lose weight? You need to eat right. It's that simple. Food is fuel, it's what gives you energy. But not all food is created equal. Protein and carbs are super important. They help you build muscle and stay full. Choosing the right ones is key to reaching your goals. Protein is your secret weapon for weight loss. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied. That means you're less likely to overeat. Plus, it helps build lean muscle mass. Lean meats are great sources of protein. Think chicken breast, turkey, and fish. Plant-based proteins are awesome too. Lentils, beans, and tofu are all good choices. Carbs often get a bad rap, but your body needs them for energy. The key is to choose the right kind of carbs. Go for complex carbs over simple carbs. Whole grains are a good example. Think brown rice, quinoa, and whole wheat bread. Fruits and vegetables are packed with fiber and nutrients. Eat plenty of them. Section 4. Mealtime Makeover. Combining proteins and carbs for success. In this section, we will explore how to create balanced meals that not only taste great, but also provide the energy and nutrients your body needs to thrive. Every meal should have a good balance of protein and carbs. Proteins are essential for building and repairing tissues, while carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy. When combined, they can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. This will keep you full and energized. Imagine starting your day with a meal that fuels your morning activities, whether it's a hike, a jog, or simply getting through your workday with sustained energy. For breakfast, try oatmeal with berries and nuts. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of complex carbohydrates, which provide a slow release of energy throughout the morning. The berries add a touch of sweetness and are packed with antioxidants, while the nuts offer healthy fats and additional protein. Add a side of Greek yogurt for extra protein. Greek yogurt is not only rich in protein but also contains probiotics that are beneficial for your gut health. This combination makes for a well-rounded and satisfying breakfast. Lunch could be a big salad with grilled chicken or fish. Salads are a great way to incorporate a variety of vegetables into your diet, providing essential vitamins and minerals. Grilled chicken or fish adds lean protein, which is crucial for muscle maintenance and repair. Add some quinoa or brown rice for staying power. Both quinoa and brown rice are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates and fiber, which help keep you full and provide a steady stream of energy throughout the afternoon. Dinner could be salmon with roasted vegetables and a small baked potato. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health. Roasted vegetables provide a variety of nutrients, and a small baked potato offers a satisfying source of carbohydrates to round out the meal. By thoughtfully combining proteins and carbs in your meals, you can create delicious and nutritious dishes that support your overall health and well-being. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, these balanced meals can help everyone stay energized and satisfied throughout the day. Section 5. Snack Attack. Healthy bites to keep you going. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to reach for unhealthy snacks when hunger strikes. But with a little planning, you can have nutritious options at your fingertips. Snacking can be a good thing. It provides an energy boost between meals and can help maintain your blood sugar levels. Plus, it keeps your metabolism going and helps you avoid overeating at meals. When you're active, your body needs fuel to keep going. Healthy snacks are perfect for this. They provide the necessary nutrients to keep you energized and focused throughout the day. Choose snacks that have both protein and carbs. Protein helps build and repair tissues, while carbs provide a quick source of energy. This combination will keep you satisfied until your next meal. It's important to listen to your body and eat when you're hungry, but make sure you're choosing the right kinds of snacks. Good options include apple slices with peanut butter, Greek yogurt with fruit, or a handful of trail mix. These snacks are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, or a handful of trail mix. Trail mix is a great option because it's portable and can be customized to your taste. Just be mindful of the portions. Remember, portion control is key. Even healthy snacks can sabotage your weight loss if you eat too much. It's easy to overeat when you're not paying attention, so measure out your snacks ahead of time. Even healthy snacks can sabotage your weight loss if you eat too much. Always check the nutrition labels and be aware of the serving sizes. By making smart choices, you can enjoy your snacks without any guilt. Section 6. Your weight loss journey. It's about balance, not deprivation. When it comes to losing weight, many people think they need to give up all their favorite foods and stick to a strict diet. But that's not the case. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Losing weight isn't about starving yourself, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. Think of it as an opportunity to explore new healthy recipes and discover fresh, wholesome ingredients. Enjoying a healthy picnic with friends or visiting an outdoor farmer's market can be both fun and beneficial for your health. It's about making healthier choices. Instead of reaching for processed snacks, try grilling vegetables at your next barbecue or picking fresh fruits from a garden. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Enjoy your favorite foods in moderation. You don't have to completely give up the foods you love. It's okay to have a small piece of cake at a garden party or enjoy some ice cream by the lake. The key is moderation. Just be mindful of portion sizes. When you're at a campsite or preparing a meal at a picnic table, take the time to measure your food portions. This simple habit can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals without feeling deprived. Don't be afraid to indulge once in a while. It's important to treat yourself occasionally. Whether it's enjoying a treat at a food truck festival or eating dessert at an outdoor cafe, these moments of indulgence can be part of a balanced lifestyle. Just get back on track the next day. If you have a day where you indulge a bit more than usual, don't stress. A sunrise yoga session in the park or a morning jog on the beach can help you reset and get back on track. Remember, weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making long-term, sustainable changes. Activities like trail running in the mountains or cycling along a scenic route can be enjoyable ways to stay active and support your weight loss journey. Make sustainable changes you can stick with. The goal is to create a lifestyle that you can maintain. Enjoying a healthy meal with a smile or preparing a nutritious meal in an outdoor kitchen can be part of a balanced, fulfilling approach to weight loss. Section 7. Ready, set, go. Fuel your body right and crush your goals. You've got the knowledge. Now it's time to put it into action. Make small changes to your diet every day. Swap white bread for whole wheat. Choose grilled chicken instead of fried. Add more fruits and vegetables to your plate. Remember, every little bit counts. You've got this.